In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change storefront colors fast and easy. If you're looking to refresh your online store's appearance with some new colors, then you're in the right place. We'll break down the process into simple, manageable steps, ensuring you can navigate and update your storefront without a hitch. To start this process, you'll need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Appearance tab in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on this will open up options that allow you to tweak the visual elements of your site. Now, with the Appearance section open, you'll want to select Customize. This option is a gateway to a variety of customization tools that WordPress offers. Clicking on this will take you to a live preview of your site with a menu on the left, where you can make edits in real time and see how they will affect your storefront. Within the Customize section, you'll see a panel dedicated to colors. This is an essential area for making your storefront visually appealing and on brand. Depending on your theme, the options might include background color, header color, and footer color. This flexibility allows you to tailor various sections of your website to fit your desired color scheme, ensuring consistency throughout. Now it's time to get creative. Let's start by adjusting the background color. You have the freedom to choose any color that best represents your brand's identity. Next, tackle the header and footer colors. This includes both text and background colors, so make sure they're readable and complement each other. Finally, adjust the colors for links and buttons on your site. These elements are important because they guide users in performing actions on your site. So consider using colors that stand out to grab attention while still fitting your overall design scheme. Once you've made all the adjustments you want, it's crucial to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Publish button. This will ensure that your new colors go live for everyone visiting your website. And remember, you can always go back and tweak these settings to experiment or make seasonal updates. Remember that updating your store's colors can have a big impact on customer experience and perception. With these steps, changing the storefront colors doesn't have to be a daunting task. Just follow along, and you'll be equipped to give your store a fresh, updated look in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.